Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Simone. If you're returning, it is absolutely lovely to see you again. In today's video, actually before we get into that, first things first is I want to say it's about 25 degrees in London today and I am so hot. I've just come out of the shower and I feel like I've just ran a mile. All I did was put my clothes on and I look so sweaty and flustered. So I just want to apologize in advance. I just can't wait to get outside, go have a drink. But firstly, I need to do something about my eyebrows. So we've been in quarantine for about 2.5 months now, and my eyebrows have seriously taken a hit. This is the longest my eyebrows have gone without threading, and that's the only thing I actually do to my eyebrows. So if you're watching this video, clearly you're in the same boat as me and you want to see how we're going to overcome this together. So I officially bit the bullet and ordered an eyebrow grooming kit off Amazon. I'm going to show you what that looks like. It has a couple cool things in there. So it even comes with an eyebrow pencil. Now I don't know how good that's going to be because I am pretty particular with the eyebrow pencil that I use. Team benefit. So we're going to see how that goes. I'm going to use absolutely everything in the kit aside from the stencils because I feel like my eyebrows don't really need reshaping. They just need a serious tidy up. Not gonna lie, I get a lot of anxiety about doing my eyebrows the wrong way because once you start messing with your eyebrows, things can go horribly wrong, especially if you shaped it in the wrong way. So this video is gonna be more so of a cleanup. I even watched a video on how to thread and I realized it is really not as easy as it looks. So in today's video, I'm going to use that eyebrow kit. I'm going to link the kit down below. It was just on Amazon and I paid £12.99 for it, I believe. So I'll link that down below. I'm sweating. Top lip sweat is real, guys. Anyways, we'll see how we get on with this video. But I'm just going to zoom you guys into my eyebrows so you can have a quick look to see the current state of it. Now, my eyebrows look good from far because I've had them microbladed. I've had them microbladed for about 2 years now. I've had my initial year a top up and then the year later I had a top up as well. So my eyebrows are microbladed, which is why they look good from far. I will say from far because if you see up close, you will see all of the new hair growing out. My eyebrows are super bushy naturally. Thank you, Dad. And it's all over the place. It's always all over the place. Getting my eyebrows microbladed was the best investment I've ever made. It was not cheap, but it seriously was a good investment. I'm super particular when it comes to semi-permanent makeup. Obviously, that's someone tattooing your face. So obviously I did a lot of research, went to the best of the best that I can find, and I'm super, super happy with the results. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. You guys have a look at my eyebrows now, and we're gonna fix it and help me get my eyebrows back on track. So as you can see, my eyebrows are so bushy, and if I push my eyebrows up, you'll be able to see the strands of the microblading that I had done. Now the worst part of my eyebrows I find is this bit here because they obviously go that way when eyebrows are meant to go upwards. So I always kind of brush them up, kind of that lamination effect, but not quite. So here you can see all of the grow out. I've been tweezing here and there, but this is going to be the most I'm going to do to my eyebrows. So if you're joining me on grooming your eyebrows today, guys, stick around and we'll get straight to the video. Hey guys, okay, so let's get straight into what is inside of our little eyebrow grooming kit I've got here. So we've got a tweezer. I don't know how sharp that tweezer is going to be or how good it's going to be. Also, just want to say, excuse my nails because obviously along with the quarantine eyebrows, I've also got quarantine nails, and that's going to be another video. So watch this space. So we've got the tweezer, we've got a tiny pair of scissors, which is like one of the main reasons I bought this kit is because I really desperately need one of these tiny scissors. Like I showed you, my eyebrows are pretty long now, so they do need a good trim. Now this little thing here is a blade which we're going to use to really clean up the underneath of our eyebrow, if I can get it open. So I'm very excited to use that. We've then got some spare blades in this little packet. Obviously our eyebrow brush and comb, and then an eyebrow pencil and some stencils in the back there, which they look pretty skinny, so I don't know how like that looks pretty thin to me, so I don't think I'll be using that. I've actually never used the eyebrow stencil before, so I probably definitely won't be using that. Right guys, the first thing I'm going to do is just use some cleansing water just to rub across my eyebrow. That just gets rid of any sweat and oil, because as I mentioned earlier, I cannot stop sweating. So once I've done that, I am now gonna use the comb just to brush up. So I'm gonna just go back and forth from the comb to the brush. So the next thing I'm gonna do is go in with the blade, and what I'm gonna do is hold my eyebrow so the skin is tightened. I'm just going to go underneath where all of the new hairs are coming through. So you just want to be careful with this, because obviously the blade is really sharp and you don't want to cut yourself. So I'm going to try as well not to cut myself. So the first thing you want to do is just hold the eyebrow like that and just go underneath, and you're going to go in the opposite direction that the hair is growing. So if the hair is growing out that way, you're going to go that way. Happy with that. Next we're going to go in with the tweezers. Let's see how good these tweezers are, and we're just going to aim to get the tiny hairs that we might have missed. So once you're happy with the hair removal process, I've been super excited to try this bit. This bit, as you can see from how crazy my hairs are, is the trimming. So I'm just gonna brush up again. My hairs are just out of control, especially one or two strands that are like, they have that curl to it. So I'm gonna go in with the scissors. I'm already so much happier with my eyebrows already. I'm already so much happier with my eyebrow. I mean, that one compared to this one. So I'm gonna go in and do this side the exact same way. Guys, so now I'm going to use the eyebrow pencil, the waterproof one that comes in the grooming kit. Now I'm really praying that this is gonna be good, because I don't use anything but the Precisely My Brow pencil from Benefit. Absolutely love that pencil. So the thought of using an unknown brand right now is killing my soul, but I am going to use it for the sake of this video and hopefully it does a good job. So the tip is huge. I'm definitely not used to having a tip so huge, but I'm going to go in at an angle. So here we go. So this is meant to be shade number 5, but I don't remember actually choosing what shade I wanted when I bought this kit. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm ditching that pencil because it's not doing me any justice. So I'm gonna go in with my Benefit pencil. And that already is 100% much better in shaping my brow. I quite like the defined look, as you can see. So I'm going to do the other eye, conceal, and I'll be back. Hey guys, so here is the finished look. I'm not gonna lie, I ditched the pencil that came with the grooming kit and I went for my good old faithful Benefit Precisely My Brow in shade 4.5. I then concealed underneath my brows because I just love concealing underneath the brows. It just gives it that gorgeous, smooth, freshly threaded effect. And super happy. I also used the 24-hour brow setter just to gel up my brows, and I'm so pleased to say they are looking nice and tame, and there is no curly brows at the top of my brows, so there's no curls going up. So I would definitely recommend this grooming kit, guys. The only downside is, of course, that brow pencil is not for everyone, which is okay, but the actual utensils that you get in this kit, like this, was super amazing, and it's really safe. It wasn't too sharp at all, and it really was able to get into all the angles. It was also quite a good benefit having the blade go all the way to the top, because you can really get into those angled areas, as opposed to some of the other blades you get on Amazon. They cap the top, so it's harder to go in at an angle. So I would definitely recommend this grooming kit, guys. For £12.99 you really can't go wrong with all these items, and I can safely say now I have a brow routine whilst in quarantine, and this is just gonna have to make do. It's just gonna have to make do. It's done the job really well, and I am overall impressed. So that is the end of today's video. I hope, like me, you found this grooming kit super easy to use. Feel free to chop and change, mix and match your products with these products. If you've got a better blade, if you've got better scissors, then use it. But I just think it's so nice. It comes in this super cute little pouch, and I love organization, and for me this is a nice and organized eyebrow grooming kit. It's not too expensive. It has all your essentials. Even if you do use brow stencils, you've got some stencils. You can use the pencil. If you find using that style of pencil works for you, then super amazing. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope this has been the solution to your quarantine brows like it has been to me. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.